In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create interactive widgets using Canva AI code generator. So start by opening up Canva, then next in the left panel, go to Canva AI, and here click on text box and click on code. Then next here, type in a prompt for your widget. So it could be create a quiz widget or build a pricing calculator or make an interactive image slider. Just make sure that you're clear about what you want. The next is press the submit button. And in seconds, Canva AI will then generate a working widget or layout. Once done, you can always make adjustments to your design to match your needs. And if it's not quite right, just refine your prompt, like adding modern design or mobile friendly, and regenerate it. And once you're happy, make sure that you preview your widget and test how it works. And finally, publish it or embed it to your website with the code. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!